guys, welcome to my channel, and this is my new coffee maker. I bought a new one because my old Keurig coffee maker broke. I think I need to buy a new needle. So this is what I got. So I hope this one works really good. Let's see how this works. K-Supreme Plus. So this is what customize your cup, and then it says programmable favorites 5 cups. So let's see. And then a stainless steel, I love it, so it matches to all my appliances in the house. So I hope this works perfectly fine. So I hope this one long last. All right, let's open the box. Let's open it and I'll show you guys how it works. So ta-da! This is what looks like, guys. This is what looks like. It's a stainless steel. And this is my coffee holder. So this is what looks like, guys. It's that one. See that one? I already put, I need to put more water in it. So it's not that big. It's so cute. I like it because it doesn't use too much space in my little kitchen right here. So let's put this back. So see, it looks perfect. It's right there in my little space. So let's see how this works. So I like this better than my last one because it's so easy. Look, you can just push whatever, how many ounces you want to make. So let's see. Here we go. So let's see. Ta-da! So I want the strength. And then I want, maybe let's start at 12. And then ta-da! So if ever you wanna, it's like more hotter, that's when you change the temperature. And then you see that one, these three, meaning you can program it. You can program to save preferences for up to 3 people. So that's what right there. So let's say this is for my husband, 1, number 2 is for me, and then number 3 is for my kids. So I guess that's it. So let's see. Ooh, here's my coffee. And also guys, you can customize your cup with 3 strength and 3 temperature options, or you can make it ice by brewing hot over ice and enjoying the cold. So yep, that's what I like. Yeah, over ice.